Hi guys, Amy Allen here, Star Diamond Coach with Beachbody, and I just wanted to take a minute and explain to you the site I've been using for my online forms, which is WuFoo, WuFoo.com, WuFoo.com. It's absolutely free to sign up. So if you want to create an account, you can come to this website, come over here and click sign up for free, and it'll set up your free account. And I'm already a member, so I'm going to go up in the corner and log in. And once I am logged in, hopefully that's the right password. All right, perfect. It'll show me that I already have 2 forms created. I made a form for the Determination Mentorship Program that I created, and I also created a form for the 21 Fixed Day group that I've started. And I don't know if you guys have been to my website and seen it, but let me show you real fast. This is my blog, and I made a post about the 21-day fix. So I used PicMonkey to create this really neat collage at the top. I talked about what the program is. I used YouTube to create a video about what the 21-day fix is. And then I kind of gave my opinion about the program based on what I already know. But at the end of this, after I told them all about the 21-day fix and why they should join it, why they should order the product, why they should join my test group, then at the very bottom of this, I have an application form. And I made this application form using WuFoo, and to me, it just makes me seem more like a professional. And it also makes me feel like people are going to feel like this test group is exclusive. I mean, I put that right here. It's my exclusive test group. Not everyone who joins is going to get in. So they need to fill out this form. And I really like using WuFoo because it is a free site. So let's go back over here. And I'm going to just show you, we're going to create a quick form real quick. With the free account, you can only have 3 forms. So I'm going to use my 1 form that I have left and create a new form. Up here in the corner, new form. You can put whatever you want in it. There's lots of different options. So my first text I'm going to put in there is I'm going to click on a single line text. I'm going to come down here and click add field. And maybe it's going to work. Whoops. Oops. And I'll add in the fields that I want. Once I've got it added in, I'm going to come over here and click on it. Double click, and it'll give me the option to change some of the information. So I'm going to add in that here's where I want them to put their, let's say, their full name. In the second box, I'm going to put in email address, and this is really important, guys. You want to put email address on every single one that you make, because I made that mistake. I had some people apply for my group, and I didn't have them put any contact information. Because of my blog, this is the first time I've had somebody apply to one of my groups that I had no idea who they were. I didn't have them on Facebook, and I have no way of getting in touch with them. So learn from my mistake. Make sure one of them is email address. Then I'm going to add another field. So now that I've got it started, I can come over here and click plus. That'll give me oh, just kidding. That'll duplicate it. Again, I'm still learning. Come up here in this corner. Click add a field. And now I'm going to say a multiple choice question. Let's go with. I'm going to say, have you used a Beachbody program before? And then you can fill in their choices. This is a multiple choice question, so it could be yes, I have, no, I haven't, or what's Beachbody? And if you want more choices, you can come over here and click plus for more choices. Oh, that was the minus. You can click plus for more choices. Whoops. So plus for more choices, or you can click minus for less. You can have as many choices as you want. Well, there might be a limit. I don't know. I've never hit the limit. And then I'm going to add another field, and this is going to be a paragraph text because I'm going to say, why do you want to be included in my challenge? Why do you want to be considered for this challenge group? Okay, and then maybe I'll add a field that says, I think this is an important one. You don't have to add this, but a multiple choice question that says, when you get awesome results from this challenge, are you interested in more information about becoming a coach? And can be yes, definitely, or no, or you can say, let me see how I feel when I finish. So once you're done with your form, you can come down here and click Save Form. You only get 3 forms at a time. I already said that, and each form can only have 10 entries. So you can have 10 questions. And so what I've had to do in a couple cases is I've had to combine some of my questions. So like I'll have, what is your full name and why do you want to be in this challenge? So you can play around with it like that to fit in all the information that you want to ask. Once you are done with your form, this screen will pop up and you'll want to say, set up email notifications for this form. And I'm going to show you a couple cool things. You can send this form to your inbox just by typing in your email right here. So now every time that somebody fills out this form, I'm going to get an email. You can also have it texted to your cell phone number. And then every time somebody fills it out, you get a text, which is actually really neat. Or you can send it to another application. And I'm going to show you, this is really cool. If you've watched my video about MailChimp, you can actually have this information sent to MailChimp. You add the integration. You'll want to connect to MailChimp, which I am not connected to, of course. So let me connect. So you'll have to have an account with them. But you can add people to your list. So here's my customer list. I'm going to send all my new entries to this list, and you need to match the field. So right here, you have to have the email address, and you want to make sure that you have that form on that. You want to make sure that you have that entry on your form. Otherwise, you won't be able to export it into MailChimp. And this is really cool because I send out a monthly newsletter. So now anyone who fills out my form is going to be automatically added to my monthly newsletter. So even if they don't get into this challenge or they don't choose to participate, I've got their information and I'll be able to add them to any of my future ones. So once you have all of that set up, if you want to see the forms that you have, you can come here and it will show you, this is my untitled form, this is the one I just made. If there are any applications, I'll show you this one. If there's been an application, it's going to show up here. You can see I've had 9 entries into my 21-day fixed challenge group. And I have their information right here. If I want to see it up high, I can click on it and it shows up in the top section and it tells me why they want to join my challenge and all the questions that I've asked. I have the answers here, and I have added email address, so I have her email address here, and I can get back with her. So those are the basic features of WuFoo that I currently use, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview. If you are wanting to make your own 21-day fixed application form and you aren't sure what questions you should ask, you can go to my blog, amyallenfitness.wordpress.com, and check out at the bottom of the 21-day fixed post, you can check out what I used as my application questions. And I highly recommend that you check this out. It is a really awesome program, and I think it could really benefit all of our businesses. Thank you guys.